Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the Bode-Maas rule. Bode-Maas rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for ob we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this Bode-Maas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step we solve the innermost parenthesis, and according to this expression we have a small bracket which is 12 divided by 3. According to this we'll get 4. According to this step, Bode-Maas says bracket always come first and starting from the innermost parenthesis. So now the current expression becomes 3 power square multiply square bracket curly brackets 20 minus 4 curly bracket of plus root 36 and then square bracket of. Move to the next step. Curly braces. Now calculate 20 minus 4. Now 20 minus 4 will get 16. And so now according to this step, we move outward to the next set of brackets which are curly braces. And now the current expression becomes 3 power square multiply square bracket 16 plus root 36. Now square bracket of. Move to the next step. Order and exponents. Evaluate the exponent which is 3 power square and the square root 36. So now first 3 power square equals to 9 and root 36 will get 6. And according to this step, O stands for order, power and roots which must be simplified before continuing with the general arithmetic. And now the current expression becomes 9 multiply square root. Move to the next step. Now square bracket. In this square bracket there is an addition. Now calculate 16 plus 6 is equals to 22. According to this step, we must completely resolve the final outermost bracket which is a square bracket before multiplying. And now the current expression becomes 9 multiplied by 22. Move to the next step which is multiplication. Multiply the digits 9 multiplied by 22 will get 198. And this is the last remaining arithmetic operation and this is the final result. So now according to this expression, the conclusion says by strictly following the hierarchy of operations, clearing brackets from inside out and calculating power roots and then multiplying, the final simplified value of this expression is 198. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.